Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to switch out the dimmer switch in a 1979 Ford F-150. As you can tell, mine over here does not click down anymore. I've already taken the time to take out the two screws here. They're just two guys like this, which require an 8mm socket or wrench, whatever you use. And all you need to do is literally just take this guy out. So just take that guy out, and make sure you can see it. And for the next, we just got to shove this one on in. Just like that, and I'll kind of show you what it's supposed to look like. Mine was stuck on the on position, so the brights were always on. So I'll kind of show you how it feels. So as I click, so lights are on, and I click the brights button, you can tell that purple light comes on. And also, you can see outside there on the brick, the brights are working. So, unless you have any connection problems or anything, that is the easy and simple way to change the dimmer switch. Good luck, guys.